How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Forest River East to West Ahara. This is going to be their 378BH OK. Now the BH is going to stand for bunkhouse, and the OK is going to stand for outdoor kitchen, because the outside kitchen on this guy is insane. So taking a step back of this fifth wheel, you can see that we have two awnings on the campsite here, as well as one slide out. Nice solid steps under that entry door. And then if we move to the back of the fifth wheel, you have a second entry. Hanging steps underneath that second one. And then the outdoor kitchen on here is crazy. You have a pull-out griddle, tons and tons of storage. You have a sink, a fridge to keep your drinks cold. And then at the back, if you look up, you have your Lippert ladder backer as well as your backup camera prep. And then down below, you have your hitch receiver. Moving to the driver's side, you run into your 50-amp power cord right away, as well as your 3 slide outs on this side, so 4 in total. Looking down at the tires, we can tell that this fifth wheel is dual axle. And then we're going to come across your heat exhaust as well as your water heater and the other side of your basement. So you have your water station on this side with your a couple of outlets, your battery disconnect switch, a little outdoor shower action, and then there's going to be that ladder. At the very front of this fifth wheel, you're going to find your heavy duty Rhino Box hitch by Lippert. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of this fifth wheel, we're going to start with our freestanding dinette first. So you have 4 chairs. You do have a little pull-out guy for maybe some silverware or maybe some card games. And then next to that, you have your theater seating. Of course, they do recline. You have a little bit of remote storage in the middle there. But the nice thing about the theater seating is that it is directly adjacent from your entertainment center. So you have your smart TV, sound system, fireplace down below, which does pull out for a little bit of drawer storage underneath. And then at the back of this fifth wheel, we're going to find our bunk room. So this bunk room can sleep to about 4 to 6 campers up in here. You do have a TV backer, nice storage, as well as a half bath. So this is the entrance that we saw on the outside. Your second entrance, you have your medicine cabinet, your porcelain toilet down below, and then making our way into the kitchen. Check out this massive kitchen island. On either side of the kitchen island, you have this cute little pop-up to give you a little bit of extra counter space room, but I really don't think you need it up in here. You do have 2 pull-out trash cans, as well as a cutting board, single basin sink, 4-burner cooktop, microwave, and some storage above all that. And then check out this massive oven. As far as fridges go, this is going to be exactly like the one that you find in your house, maybe even a little nicer. Cute little coffee bar, as well as some pantry space with some adjustable shelves. And then going up these steps here, we're going to find ourselves in the bathroom. So you have plenty of storage up in here. You have your sink, medicine cabinet, your bougie looking shower with that really cool shower faucet, some towel storage, and then your second porcelain toilet. Making our way towards the very, very front of this fifth wheel, we have your main bedroom. So this is a king-size bed. You do have night lights on either side, as well as windows, maybe some books storage on the left there. And then behind the front cap, we have your wardrobe. So this light is a motion sensor, and it is the hanging rod, which is kind of cool, kind of nifty. Next to that, you have your washer and dryer prep, or maybe just more storage. Totally up to you. Across from your bed, you do have a little bit of cabinetry going on, as well as a window and your other smart TV. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Forest River East to West Ahara 378BH OK. Thank you so much. Have a great day.